This will be an additional bonus video of a very special tool roll that we have featured here out of the Just Jags Bob Harold Collection inventory. So if you saw the earlier video, kind of giving a overview of everything that we're assembling, cataloging, documenting, etc. This is a very special tool roll. It's a very old tool roll. It is out of a 120, not just any 120, a 120. And here you see we have the original owner's information, signed, dated. Now, the roll itself is obviously original to that car, that year. The tools themselves are assembled out of the Just Jags and Bob Harold Collection inventory, some of which was shown in the previous video. But I just wanted to take some time to go through this tool roll because it is pretty historic. So we do have all period correct tools in the roll, and they're all in really outstanding condition. They'll all be photographed individually, but I just wanted to go through and take a little time because, as I mentioned before, tool auctions, parts auctions are kind of dry, so figured we might as well have a little bit of fun with it. Fantastically well-preserved, wood-handled screwdriver. We have original stampings on there. Again, everything is photographed. And we do have this going with the roll, inventorying what should be in the roll. Here is this very significant, correct period. And everything is, as you can see, correctly marked. So we are missing a couple of authentic parts, which is why we've got spot open there, spot open there. We wanted to assure that everything that went into the roll was period correct, correct for the kit. So we did not want to put anything in there because of its historic nature that didn't belong. So this presents a fantastic opportunity for a collector because you do not come across this kind of stuff very often. Got original stamps there as well. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Check it out.